Hey guys, so today we are going to learn how to add products on YAYSHOP store. So as soon as you open the app, this is the screen that you'll be looking at. You go to the product tab and here you can either create a product from this page itself by pressing add product, entering product name and adding, or there is another option that you go to the catalogs and create a catalog. Here I had to create a new catalog called as extras, and I added the catalog and then I added products from this extras catalog. Here I wanted to add a dip for my momos, so I entered the product name as dip. In this page I added the images, the product name and the prices and other things. After pressing save changes, this question popped up, and since I had more than one variant, I pressed yes. In the next page, you will have default option pressed as no variants, which you'll have to shift to add variants. And there are two different options in which you can add variants, either magic variants, which we will discuss later on, or adding the variants with the images. Let's first learn how to add the variants manually. You press the button add and then add the variants accordingly. You press on the tag button and select the image which will fit the best for this variant. Update and save info and your manually added variants will be ready. Now let's learn about what is the magic variant. So magic variants are basically, you don't have to add all the variants manually, but instead the system is going to automatically select images and consider it to be individual. Making magic variants is very easy. You just have to click on magic variants and your variants will be created. Let's go ahead and see how our variants are going to look like. So friends, we have come to my homepage again, and from here we are going to the web address of my store. Here look, my dips are available and the images itself are acting as my variants, which are the magic variants. I'll press on add to cart, and from here I'll add the different dips and I'll check out, and look, my variants are added fantastically. I hope this video helped. Thank you. Bye.